In this video, I'll show you how to insert emojis in Canva. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. This video is meant for educational purpose only, so I'm going to show you how you can insert emojis carefully here in Canva. So once you have logged into your Canva account, this is the blank document, right? So we're going to insert an emoji right here. So what you need to do, you need to click on these quick actions, right? Scroll down, you see the emoji option. Yeah, this is it. Click on it. Once you have clicked on it, it will be displayed with a whole lot of emojis right here. So you can select any emoji of your choice right here. So I can select this, right? I'll pick this. Yeah, so I'll still come again. I'll, I'll click this again, so it should be three, right? So I'll come here again. I'll click on this. So this is how you can insert an emoji here in Canva. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.